Dexter Mortise Latch wasn't much. Works pretty good. There's 2 pins inside that were missing. Made it work. You got is that the key? Make sure that it works.
Put it on my mic. I'm always used to put it.
Just click this. Make sure for the video that it works. Okay. And now, first get it on the chin.
I pass.
And this works good. All right.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.